Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I want to share with you this little living room that I have here. And it's a plain living room, but I want to fix it up for the spring. But right now I am using it so that I can gather up all the Christmas decorations and strategically start packing up. Once I go to the basement, bring up my bins, I will pack everything up, and by the end of this year, which would be November or December, and I start decorating again, I can find stuff. Because this year, I tell you, there was a certain ornament that was pretty special and I could not find it. And that's because before, when I packed up last year, I guess I was in a rush at the end. I was tired and I just wanted to put everything in bins because, you know, the fun part is putting everything out. But when you have to pack up everything, you start getting tired, you rush through it. So that's probably what I did last year, and I couldn't find that ornament. So this year I want to pack strategically. Okay, so let me give you a little tour of this living room here. And I do have a huge Santa here. I have the Santa here and I have that other one. And I do have these huge nutcrackers. These were the ones that I had at the entrance, and I have two of them. I have another one there. So these have to be packed a certain way. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tour of this little living room and show you what I have on top of the bed, the sofas. So here I have Santa's car. I have some gnomes. Next year I want to do something with the gnomes, so I want to gather up any gnome items that I have, you know, together so that I could find them. Then I have all the fabrics here, like stockings, covers for chairs, hats, the apron that I was wearing, anything that's soft, that's fabric, it's all here. Then I also have boxes, the lids. I never did anything with this one, but that will be a creation for next Christmas. Now this was the box that I used for the North Pole, so I want to keep that. And I also used these here. I used this box. So all these boxes, the lids, I want to keep. Then here I have some placemats and the napkins with the napkin rings. And this is where I keep the house, the gigantic doll house that you all know about. And the tree is still up. It's in that other room. It's pretty dark, but it's right there. So I still have decorations to bring over to this room. I have all these trees here to pack up. So once I finish all this by the end of January, in the spring I will be back to share this room with you so that you can see the transformation. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time, and thank you so much for watching.